AMC Stock retail investors have a very interesting opportunity on our hands here. Monday morning. Tomorrow morning, we've got the opening of the stock market, and we've got AMC Stock basically back in our control. Now, we know that the lawyers for AMC Entertainment, we know that the lawyers for Allegheny's pension fund out there, they are money hungry as well. And they are trying their best to re-amend the terms of this settlement so that the settlement goes through and that the conversion takes place. Now, I hope that it is obvious to every single one of you out there that a conversion of APE into AMC, the subsequent reverse split, and the dilution of AMC Entertainment is going to destroy retail investors' hopes that AMC is ever going to rise in price. You have the evidence. A halting, a suspension, a no to the settlement, to the conversion, to the split, to the dilution caused AMC to rip up in value. Now, I'm going to be discussing a little bit about what's going on and what we can expect in the future if the settlement does go through, if the settlement doesn't go through, and so on. So if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. Let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2023 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. Now, look, if you guys are brand new to investing, you don't know how or where to buy stocks and crypto, get your hands on some AMC Entertainment. You got a link in the description below for Webull. It is super simple to set up your account. Any deposit, you're getting at least 6 free stocks, up to 12 free stocks, and you're earning 5% on your cash balances. You're not going to get that at a bank, so make sure to check it out. But guys, I want to jump into this and just discuss it really quick because I see so many people out on Twitter, so many people out on YouTube, so many people everywhere telling you that the only chance of survival for AMC and AMC stock is this conversion. And it absolutely blows my mind that retail investors that are posting on these social media sites would be so blinded, so, I guess, wrong in the fact that it's not good for retail investors. It is great for Adam Aron to become a multi-billionaire. It is great for AMC Entertainment to become a multi-billion cash holder if the conversion goes through. And they're going to be amending those terms, resubmitting those terms. And they're very likely to be offering more and doing anything that they can to make this settlement go through, because they know that it is a massive cash cow for them if they do so. Out of your pocket, out of my pocket. We've seen the results, okay? You cannot argue the results. If the conversion does not go through, if a settlement is not made, if the judge has to make a determination on the legality of Adam Aron's, I guess, scam with Ape shares in the first place, and Adam Aron's scheme to get all of the votes he needed to make sure this, you guys, I hope you comprehend what actually took place, right? Adam Aron issuing shares of Ape. Adam Aron selling directly to Antera Capital at the lowest level, 60-something cents, is where Adam Aron sold 200 million plus shares of Ape to a hedge fund who voted for the conversion. Think about that. He did everything that he could to make sure he had enough votes to go in his direction to, I guess, sidestep and go against the retail investor base. It was a scheme, it was a scam, and he walked away with it. Now, of course, after that happened, AMC plummets down in price, thinking that this conversion is going to dilute AMC shareholders, in which it did. Now, the judge has given us a glimmer of hope, right? So let's just go down a pathway real quick to say that this settlement does not go through. What's going to happen? We are going to have to see whether or not it was even legal. There's going to be more litigation in terms of shareholders versus AMC Entertainment against Adam Aron and against this entire scheme to see if it's even possible for Ape shares to exist in the first place, let alone be converted in the way that they walked around retail investors in that vote. And if that's the case, we might see AMC Entertainment go up higher in value. It might go up higher in price as retail investors regain control of the company that we saved. Now, let's say that there is no settlement that takes place. Let's say that Adam Aron is not able to raise any more money. Is AMC stock facing bankruptcy? Not in the short term. Adam Aron is going to convince you that AMC is doomed if you guys do not settle, that your shares are going to go to zero and so on. But let's just rewind 2 years to where we were. If AMC stock is facing bankruptcy, did that bother anybody in 2020? In 2021, when we were buying up the shares? Did that bother anybody when we were sending the stock to $70 a share by buying in and having some retail excitement? No, nobody cared that Adam Aron and AMC Entertainment were not generating revenue. Nobody cared that the debt was piling up. Nobody cared about the fundamentals. We cared about squeezing hedge funds. And I don't know why so many people have been brainwashed. I don't know why so many retail investors have been tricked into believing Adam Aron. And I don't know why so many so-called influencers out there are on the side of hedge funds and on the side of Adam Aron loading his pockets and making multi-million-dollar transactions for himself as opposed to watching retail investors prosper. So, if there is no settlement, if there is no conversion, sure, AMC may be facing some tough times after they burn through the $1.6 billion in cash that they raised out of retail investors' pockets over the last couple of years. But it's about time for them to be doing business anyway. It's about time for them to run a company. And if you really thought that AMC Entertainment was in trouble, do you think that Adam Aron would be giving himself multi-million-dollar bonuses to the tune of $20+ million bonuses? I don't think that they would be passing out $20 million to the CEO as the company was facing bankruptcy. That would be the dumbest thing that, well, all right, I've seen a lot of dumber things in terms of what AMC and Adam Aron has done recently. So never mind on that one. He can top himself. I'm sure that he can. Now, let's say that a settlement does go through. Let's say that they re-amend the terms of this settlement, and AMC and Allegheny, which, if Allegheny, man, if this pension fund agrees to a settlement, knowing that they're going to get maybe a 5% premium on their stock, and watch the value of the stock get ripped in half back down to $4, $3, maybe even $2 after a settlement gets approved by the judge, how is that a gain at all for anybody? It is not a gain at all for anybody. Because if you do not believe that AMC Entertainment is going to fall in value following the settlement, you're tricking yourself. AMC would be right back down to where it was before, knowing that it is in the exact same situation that it was in before. So if a settlement goes through, if a settlement is amended and accepted and approved by the judge, we're going to see a decrease in value. If it is not approved by the judge, if Adam Aron is not allowed to scheme his way into retail investors' pockets once again, we have a very high likelihood of AMC going up in value. So as you can see, I do not want the conversion. I do not want the reverse split. I do not want Adam Aron to get rich and retail investors to pay his bills. I want retail investors to prosper in the trade that we have been in for several years now. I want to know what you guys want. There's a lot of people in the comments saying that they want the settlement to go through, that the settlement is going to go through. I want to know what you guys honestly want. Do you want to pay Adam Aron's paycheck? Do you want to pay Adam Aron's bills? Do you want Adam Aron to have access to your bank account and drain you every single day? Or do you want a chance at prosperity? Answer that question honestly, because if you guys are on the side of Adam Aron and hedge funds making money, I don't know what to do with you. But if you want to make some money, if you want to squeeze AMC, if you are here for a retail movement, I'm excited about it. And I absolutely hope that you are as well. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. And if that button right there is still red, make sure to click it, subscribe to the channel, join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. ClayBro 883 everywhere. 6 to 12 free stocks on Webull, KuCoin and Binance, free Discord. And until the next time, hope to each and every one of you have an awesome day.